Happy to see you here on my channel Brain Logic, and all people all over the world arguing about the correct answer to this viral challenge. We have only two options. Right now you can easily test your algebra skill, your school knowledge, and right now pause the video, try to solve it by yourself, and of course you will be shocked about the correct answer, and I will explain you this answer here in just 1 minute, so it will be really interesting. So here is our challenge, and first of all I want to rewrite this challenge right here. Okay, so we have 18 divided by 3, and we have in parentheses 6 minus 4, and then division by 3. So here is our challenge, and I want to start with this explanation. First of all, we have a lot of math operations. We have division, we have parentheses, we have multiplication right here, we have division by 3, and right now I want you to understand that in math we can't solve our question randomly. We should know something about order of operation, and for example I want you to look at this PMDMC order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. It works in a strict order from the top to the bottom, so the first step is parentheses. But I want to say that doesn't matter what order of operation you select, every order of operation is in agreement about the first step. So everyone is in agreement about the first step. Simplify the expression inside parentheses. Okay, so firstly we should simplify expression inside parentheses. Doesn't matter what order of operation you select, what order of operation you prefer. First step is to evaluate the expression inside parentheses, 6 minus 4, which gives us 2. Okay, so we have 18 divided by 3 and times 2. Okay, and we divide all of these by this 3. Okay, after first step we have this expression right now. And right now really important moment, because this is where the debate starts, because then we have division multiplication part, and this is where the debate start. So according to the order of operation, division and multiplication has the same precedence. So the correct order is to evaluate from left to right. So first take 18 divided by 3 and then we multiply it by 2. And just look at it. So right here we have 18 divided by 3, which gives us 6. Yeah, so we have 6. And times 2, we have times 2, and all over 3, which gives us 12 over 3, which gives us 4. Yeah, as I told before, multiplication division has the same precedence. So this gets to the correct answer of 4. But some people have a different interpretation. Okay, so and while it's not the correct answer today, it would have been regarded as the correct answer 100 years ago. So some people may have learned this other interpretation more recently too, but this is not the way the calculators would evaluate the expression today. So let's suppose it was 1970, so approximately 100 years ago, and you saw this expression in your textbook. So what would you think the author was trying to write? Because historically the symbol division, so let's rewrite this expression right here once more. So this is our looks like first interpretation, and right now let's look at the second interpretation. So 18 divided by 3 and times 2. So I wanted to explain you only this expression, because with division by 3 there is no problem. Yeah, right here we divided by 3 without any problems. But let's look at this expression in the perspective of 100 years ago. So let's suppose it was 1970 and you saw this in your textbook. What would you think the author was trying to write? Historically the symbol division right here was used to mean you should divide by the entire product on the right of the symbol. Okay, so under this interpretation we have 18 and we divide this 18 by the whole entire product on the right hand side. I just want to take this inside parentheses. Okay, so 3 times 2, which gives us 6. Okay, so we divide it, I write it like that, and then we have 18 divided by 3 times 2, which gives us 6. Okay, so then we have right here in the numerator we have 3, and then we divide this 3 by this 3, so as a result we have like an equal sign. Okay, I write this sign right here, equal. So in numerator we have 3, and we divide this 3 by this 3. Okay, we still have this 3, so as a result we have 1, and this is option A. And right here we had option B. As you can see, with this interpretation we have option A. With this interpretation we have option B. So here's the main thing. What is the correct answer today? Let's look at this interpretation. This is not the correct answer that calculators will evaluate. Rather, it's what someone might have interpreted the expression according to older usage. So this is our older usage. So when you have 1, this is older usage, because multiplication division has the same precedence, so we should go from left to right. This is a correct answer, but I want you to look at this interpretation. So take a look closely. One part of students tell that we should write this 18 over 3 as a fraction. Okay, just do this. So right here we have 18 over 3, and we have multiplication by 6 minus 4. Doesn't matter, we have absolutely the same answer. We have right here 18 over 3, which gives us, right here we have 6, and multiplication by 6 minus 4, which gives us 12. Yes, right here in numerator we have 12, and then this 12 divided by 3, which gives us 4. So doesn't matter, if you want to write it as a fraction, you will have correct answer 4. If you don't want to write it as a fraction, you should start with parentheses, then division, multiplication, or multiplication, division in a strict order from left to right. So forget about this option A. This is bad solution today. This is very bad solution nowadays. A correct answer to this challenge, this is 4 for option B. If you want to write that you divide by the whole expression on the right hand side, just put parentheses, okay? There's no problem, just put parentheses as right here. If you want to divide by the whole entire expression, as right here, just put parentheses, and then no problem. You should start from this division at first, but right here we don't have parentheses. Why should we divide 18 by the whole entire product on the right? We shouldn't do this, because we should know that order of operation works from the left to right order. First division, multiplication in this case, but doesn't matter. It can be like multiplication, division, division, multiplication, doesn't matter. But if you want to divide by the whole entire expression, don't forget about these parentheses, because this is very important moment in terms of math. So it doesn't matter. You can write it as a fraction. You can write it you shouldn't write it as a fraction, doesn't matter. With a fraction we have option B, without a fraction we have option B, but with these parentheses, when you think that you should divide it by the whole entire product, we have option A. But this option A is wrong nowadays. So I hope you understand my thought. I hope you understand my explanation about this challenge. So let's write our final answer to this challenge. This is option B, is a correct answer to this challenge. Of course, write your thoughts down in the comment section. It will be really interesting to read about it, because a lot of countries, a lot of discussion about this order of operation. So it will be really interesting your thought about this challenge. Obviously, don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos. Have a great day. And if this video is helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that definitely helped me out for this particular video. So thank you for your time, see you in the next videos.